We are here at the brand new SLS Playa Mujeres resort. Now this is a family-friendly resort about 40 minutes north of the Cancun airport, and it is brand new. It's also SLS's first all-inclusive resort. All right, because this is a mouthful of a room, we are in the SLS Elite Ocean View Rooftop King room. Now this is an elite class room, which means it comes with a bunch of different perks like a butler, a private check-in. Mostly we wanted to book this room because it has a second story with an ocean view and a jacuzzi. So let's go take a look around this room. All right guys, so when you come in the room, you first have the restroom, and it's pretty big. You have your toilet behind a separate glass door, and then you also have your walk-in shower. And if you need to close it off, there is a door right here too. Closet space is really good. A lot of hanging space, room for your suitcases, built-ins, got some robes, safe, and then 2 sinks, really big vanity area, and really nice amenities. You've got hand wash, hand and body lotion, soap, shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner as well. Wish I could take these home. These are nice. There is a window to the bedroom, but it does look like there is like a shade that comes down. So for me, this is good for couples, but wouldn't be so great if you're with a family or some friends, because that looks kind of sheer, honestly. And that window does continue here behind the mirror, and then you see the shade as well. So let's actually test that out and see. Can you see me showering? All right, so maybe it's okay. I mean, I can kind of see through. I don't know. Book this with caution if you're with a family. Okay, really nice big king bed. That's actually really comfy. I like it. And then if you are staying with more than 2 people, it looks to us like this will actually fold out, and there's like a trundle. So I'm assuming this becomes like a full bed that sleeps 2 as well. My favorite part is the snacks and the mini bar. We got some really beautiful chocolates as part of the Elite Club. Cannot wait to eat these. But they're so pretty, I don't want to ruin them. And underneath, candy, nuts, Pringles. It's all inclusive, so eat it up. And then we have our mini bar. Looks like we've got some beers, ginger ale, water, and Coke products. And of course, plenty of water, coffee facilities, and fancy glasses. All right guys, now for the outdoor spaces. Of course, off the main room, you have this covered patio balcony area, 2 chairs to sit in, and this is a ocean view. Now I will say we see a lot of wall, unfortunately, but knowing that the resort just opened, they probably finished these rooms closest to the lobby first. So that kind of makes sense when you think about it. All right, we got a spiral staircase. Let's go upstairs and look at the rooftop. rooftop area. It's super private. You can't see your neighbors. I don't think you're gonna be able to hear your neighbors. You have the same view as down below. Interestingly, there's one lounge chair, even though there's two of us. So I'm not sure about that. 2 towels. This is why I wanted this room. This jacuzzi will definitely be in here. It's huge. I love it. Outdoor shower here as well. And then going back here, you just have like a lot of like lounging areas. I mean, this is massive. This is huge. Stripes to take pictures in front of. And also there's like a lot of stairs and steps, including a little step over here that I definitely immediately biffed it on. So just be really careful between the steps, the spiral staircase. Don't get drunk and try to go up and down. It would not be good. All right, so that's the room. I think normally this is an $800+ a night room. And again, this is one of the higher end rooms with that extra elite club. Right now there are really good grand opening specials, including stay 2 nights, get 1 free. So that really brought the price down on this room. We got this for just over $500 a night for a 3-night stay. All right, we've had a long travel day. We're hungry. We're gonna go grab some food and then maybe be able to use our jacuzzi tonight. All right, take it easy on the bubbles. That was way more than we thought it would be. Oh my God, we're gonna get in trouble.